Hello everyone and welcome. We are going to make an application, small application with Teta. So, Teta application. We are going to step 0. So, it is interface for my application and this 2 page. We are in entry points. It is a surface when you can put anything. Scaffold. It has 3 widgets. A banner on top your phone and bottom bar this and drawer you can pull it in half your phone. So add to body. The first thing you can add it is container to contain photo or music or text with simplest way. So we are going to change color. Seems good. Yes. Okay. And we can put column. Column has 4 or 5 places to put anything. Add new. We can put text. Text. We can put center. With padding to control place in your phone. So write something first. Hi, my brother. And top 16. Yes. No. My brother. And we can put image into my phone with padding to control image. Left 11, right 11. Okay. Image. We need 12 or 40. It seems good. So do you need button, button, yes, login with Apple. You can put button and text button. Text button is button, and you can write it something like that. Touch me, or login with Apple, login with Google accounts, login with Facebook, login with GitHub, radio, Twitter. We choose button, simple button. Yes. We need different color, and I need 20. Yes. If you want padding to click, so if you enter 10, we are see 10 in up and left, right and bottom. Same. Padding 20. That's all. And you can show your code and download from folder to check in your phone, and GitHub to download your code and copy paste to Google to Play Store. Thank you for watching, and you are welcome anytime. And please ask me something what you need.